In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion templates. Templates are pre-built pages and systems that help you set up projects, notes, and trackers in minutes, so you don't have to start from scratch. Here's how to find them and add them to your own workspace quickly and confidently. First, open your browser and go to notion.com. On the homepage, click Login and sign into your account. After you're in, you'll land inside your workspace. If you use more than one workspace, make sure you're in the one where you want the template to live. Next, open the page where you plan to work or simply stay on your main workspace view. Look toward the sidebar and click the Templates button. It's usually near the bottom of the menu. This opens Notion's template gallery. You'll see a wide selection here: project planners, knowledge bases, habit trackers, class notes, and more. Some templates are free and others are paid. Free ones are clearly labeled, and paid options will show pricing or a purchase button. Take a moment to explore. You can scroll down to browse everything at your own pace. If you already have something in mind, use the search bar to quickly find a specific template by name or purpose. You can also filter by category to narrow the results. For example, pick work for team operations and projects, life for personal planning and habits, or school for coursework and study systems. These filters make it easier to zero in on the setup that matches what you need. When you find a template you want, click Add. Notion will show a small pop-up letting you know the template is being added to your workspace. Give it a moment to finish. As soon as it's ready, a new page with your template appears in your sidebar and opens automatically. Everything comes pre-structured so you can start using it right away. From here, treat the template as a ready-made framework. Headings, databases, and layouts are already in place to save you setup time, and you can personalize the content later at your own pace without affecting the core structure. It's normal for larger templates to take a few extra seconds to load, so give it a moment if you don't see it right away. That's all you need to get started with Notion templates. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.